This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about barware, specifically these Cascata glasses. And we have a couple of styles here to show you. The 11-ounce white wine, the 7-ounce champagne coupe, the 9-ounce martini, and the 14-ounce water goblet. There are more styles available for these glasses, including a variety of wine glasses, champagne glasses, brandy snifters, water and iced tea glasses. So there's a wide variety of styles to choose from to meet your needs. They're all made of fine machine-blown glass that is tempered, making them extra strong to resist chipping and breaking. They're designed with a smooth rolled rim, nice fine stems, and great stable round bases for a superior drinking experience for your customers that can withstand the heavy use at bars, in tasting rooms, or in restaurants. These can be run through commercial dishwashers for easy and quick cleanup, making them great for use in a variety of commercial environments or just at home.